solve the equation 3 times 2 to the power 2x plus 3 minus 5 times 2 to the power x plus 2 minus 156 is equal to 0. Leaving your answer in logarithm form. This is a WAEC question. So now, with this question, I will now express this. Let me just write it out first. 3 times 2 to the power 2x plus 3 minus 5 times 2 to the power x plus 2 minus 156 is equal to 0. Now, the first term, the value in bracket can be expressed as 2 to the power of 2x times 2 to the power of 2 to the power 3. This is the same thing as saying, according to the law of indices, a x plus y, a to the power of x plus y is same thing as a to the power of x times a to the power of y. So it's the same thing. So this is what we're going to use. So now, having expressed this like this, so now we have minus 5 times 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 2 minus 156 is equal to 0. Now, using the same expression, so there is also another expression for logarithm or for indices where you say a raised to power x times y is the same thing as a raised to power x in brackets raised to power y. So it's just the same thing. So we're going to use it here. So we'll say 3 times 2 to the power of x all in bracket square times 2 to the power of 3 minus 5 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 2 minus 156 equals to 0. So now, let me this 2 to the power of 3 is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So 8 times 3, you have 24 times 2 to the power of x bracket open and close bracket open 2 to the power of x raised to the power of 2. Now minus 2 to the power of 2 is same thing as 4. 4 times 5 is 20. So you have 20 times 2 to the power of x minus 156 is equal to 0. Now, we can now say let p be equal to 2 to power x. Now, substituting p, anyway we see 2 to power x, we replace it with p. So we have now 24 p square minus 20p minus 156 is equal to 0. Now, we can factorize this further. 4 can divide this, 4 can divide this, 4 can divide this. So 4 divide 24, we have 4 divide 24, we have 6 p square. Now divide all through by 4, sorry. let me just do it like this. Divide all through by 4. Now we have 4 into 24. You have 6p squared minus, this should be 5p minus 4 into 15. You have 3 under 3, that is 9. Now, what are the factors? So how to factorize this now? There is nothing that will divide further. Now, how to factorize this with ease? We can use the quadratic equation, the quadratic formula, where we now say p is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, our b where you have a x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now, comparing this equation with this equation, our a is 6, b is minus 5, c is minus 39. Now that means p will now be b, which is minus 5, so here will be 5 plus or minus 5 squared minus 4 times 6 times minus 39 divided by 2 times 6. So we have 5 plus minus the square root of 25 minus, okay, because there's minus here, so it will be plus 4 times. Now let's use calculator. Let's use calculator. 4 times 6 times 39 will give you 936. Give us 936 divided by 12. Divided by 12. So we have 5 plus or minus square root of. Now let me add 25 to this value, plus 25. So it will give us what? Let me see. 961 divided by 12. 961. So the square root of 961, the square root of 961 is 31. So you have 5 plus minus 31 all over 12. Now, p. Now we have 5 plus 31 all over 12, or 5 minus 31 all over 12, which means 5 plus 31 will give you 36 all over 12, or 5 minus 31 will give you minus 26 all over 12. Now 36 over 12 is 3, or minus 2 can divide. 2 divide this, you have 13 all over 6. All over 6 as P. Now the negative value is undefined, so P cannot be a negative value, so the only value left here is 3. So we'll now say, since P is equal to 2 to the power x, then 2 to the power x is equal to 3. Now we have 2 to the power x is equal to 3. Now taking the log of both sides, log to base 10 on both sides, taking taking the logarithm of base 10 to both sides. So now what we're going to do is we'll say log 2 to the power x base 10 is equal to log 3 base 10. And according to the law of logarithm, if you have log b base a, if you have log b to the power x base a is the same thing as saying x times log b base a. So we're going to use this law to simplify this further. So we have x log 2 base 10 is equal to log 3 base 10. Now meaning that our x is equal to log 3 base 10 divided by log 2 base 10. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.